I'm enrolled in CSCE 1. Howdy everyone, I'm Marcelo. I'm enrolled in CSCE 111. And in this video, we're going over for loops, what they're used for, how we can use them in a program, and yeah, that's just it. So now we're gonna go over for loops. So loops are commands so that a single condition is repeated for a number of times when the iteration is satisfied. So a for loop, which is the one we're going to go over today in this video, is a loop that for a series of conditions, so whenever those conditions are true, you run a specific command. So the syntax is the keyword for, and then in between parentheses, you're going to first put the initial iteration. So in this case, I equals 0. And then you're going to use a semicolon, and you're going to put the condition. So this is going to happen from I equals 0 until I is less or equal than n to n. Okay? And then you're going to use a semicolon again, and the last argument on this is going to be the how you're going to update the value of the iteration variable, which is in this case is I. So we're going to add 1 for every time that we run this loop. So what is going to happen is for I equals 0 until, so I starts at 0 until I is less or equal to n. And then for every time, we're going to add 1 to I. So let's say that the input from the user is 3, okay? So at I equals, we start at I equals 0, and until I is less or equal to 3, and we're going to add 1 to I for every time. So what we're going to do is, at I equals 0, I is less or equal to 3. It is. So then we are going to add to the sum 0 plus sum, okay? After we did this, we add one value to I. So now I equals 1. Is 1 smaller or equal to 3? It is. So now we add 1 plus sum. Now we add 1 more to I, which now is 2. Is 2 less or equal to 3? It is. So now we add 2 to the previous sum, which was 1. So this is how we're summing all the values until the value input by the user. So this is how for loops work. So you basically need to get an iteration variable, a condition, and how to update this value. So yeah, this is it.